Did you know that the food we eat can impact our health in dramatically different ways? The nutrients, vitamins, and minerals in our meals interact with our bodies in unique ways, influenced by our genetics, lifestyle, and even our gut microbiome. This means that while one person might thrive on a particular diet, another might struggle with the same foods. It's a fascinating and complex relationship that underscores the importance of personalized nutrition. What works for one person might not work for another. For instance, some people might find that a high-protein diet gives them energy and helps them maintain a healthy weight, while others might feel sluggish and gain weight on the same diet. Similarly, some individuals might have food intolerances or allergies that make certain foods harmful to them, even if those foods are generally considered healthy. This is where the incredible power of artificial intelligence comes in. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including genetic information, health records, and dietary habits, to create a comprehensive picture of an individual's nutritional needs. By processing this data, AI can identify patterns and correlations that might not be apparent to the human eye, offering insights into how different foods affect different people. Imagine a world where your diet is not a one-size-fits-all plan, but a personalized roadmap tailored just for you. This personalized approach can help you achieve your health goals more effectively, whether it's losing weight, managing a chronic condition, or simply feeling your best. With AI, we can move beyond generic dietary advice and create customized plans that take into account your unique biology and lifestyle. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of nutrition, and it's happening right now. Advances in technology are making it possible to gather and analyze data in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Smart appliances, wearable devices, and health apps are all part of this revolution, providing real-time feedback and personalized recommendations to help you make better food choices. But how exactly does it work? Let's dive in. AI algorithms start by collecting data from various sources, such as your medical history, genetic profile, and daily dietary intake. This data is then processed to identify patterns and correlations. For example, if the data shows that you have a genetic predisposition to high cholesterol, the AI might recommend a diet low in saturated fats. Similarly, if your data indicates that you have a sensitivity to gluten, the AI will suggest gluten-free options. The goal is to create a diet plan that is not only effective, but also sustainable and enjoyable for you. AI, or artificial intelligence, might sound complicated, but it's simply about teaching computers to think like us. In the world of nutrition, this means analyzing vast amounts of data to understand how different foods, nutrients, and lifestyle factors impact our bodies. Think of AI as a superpowered nutritionist, constantly learning and evolving to provide the best possible guidance. AI-powered personalized nutrition starts with you. By collecting data about your unique makeup, your DNA, your metabolism, your activity levels, your food preferences, these intelligent systems can create a diet plan that's tailor-made for your needs and goals. The benefits of this personalized approach are vast. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your athletic performance, manage a health condition, or simply feel your best, AI can help you get there. Imagine reaching your health goals with greater ease and efficiency, all thanks to the power of personalized nutrition. Beyond the hype separating fact from fiction. While the possibilities are exciting, it's important to separate fact from fiction. In today's fast-paced world, technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate, and with it comes a flood of information, some accurate, some not so much. The allure of new advancements can sometimes cloud our judgment, making it crucial to critically evaluate what we hear and read. AI in nutrition is still a relatively new field, and there are misconceptions. Many people believe that AI can instantly solve all our dietary problems, but the reality is more nuanced. Researchers are working tirelessly to understand the complex interactions between AI algorithms and human health, and while progress is being made, it's a gradual process. For example, some worry that AI will replace human interaction and expertise. This simply isn't true. The fear that machines will take over our lives is a common theme in science fiction, but in the realm of healthcare, AI is designed to support, not supplant, human professionals. The human touch, empathy, and nuanced understanding that healthcare providers offer cannot be replicated by machines. AI is a tool to enhance, not replace, the guidance of healthcare professionals. It can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, identify patterns, and provide insights that might take humans much longer to uncover. However, the final decision-making and personalized care still rest in the hands of trained professionals. By working together, AI and healthcare providers can offer more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and ultimately, better patient outcomes. AI on your plate. Getting started is easy. Ready to experience the future of food? Getting started with AI-powered personalized nutrition is easier than you might think. There are now numerous apps and programs available that use sophisticated algorithms to create personalized meal plans, track your progress, and provide ongoing support. The next course, unlocking deeper insights. But what if we could go even further? Imagine a world where AI could not only personalize your diet, but also predict potential health risks before they even arise, allowing for early intervention and prevention. This is the next frontier of AI in nutrition, and the possibilities are truly groundbreaking. Join the revolution. Share, like, and subscribe. In today's digital age, sharing content has never been easier or more impactful. With just a few clicks, you can spread valuable information, inspiring stories, and helpful tips to your network. By liking and subscribing, you not only show your support, but also stay updated with the latest content that can enrich your life. So let's dive into the future together. The future of nutrition is here, and it's personalized. Imagine a world where your meals are tailored specifically to your body's needs, optimizing your health and well-being. With advancements in technology, this is no longer a distant dream, but a present reality. Smart appliances and health apps are revolutionizing the way we approach nutrition, making it easier than ever to maintain a balanced diet and achieve your health goals. Are you ready to take control of your health and unlock your full potential? By integrating personalized nutrition and regular exercise into your daily routine, you can enhance your physical and mental well-being. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to significant long-term benefits. Whether it's through a new workout regimen or experimenting with healthy recipes, the journey to a healthier you starts now. Share this video with your friends and family, and let them join you on this journey towards better health. Sharing knowledge and experiences can create a supportive community where everyone is motivated to achieve their best selves. It's not just about individual progress, but collective growth. So, don't hesitate to spread the word and inspire those around you. Like it if you found it helpful, and let us know what you think in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us create content that truly resonates with you. By engaging with the content, you become an active participant in this community, contributing to a dialogue that benefits everyone. And subscribe to my channel for more insights on how to live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. By subscribing, you ensure that you never miss out on the latest tips, trends, and research in the world of health and wellness. Together, we can explore new ways to enhance our lives and support each other in this journey towards optimal health. Thank you for being a part of this community.